This is the new Zodiac pen from Exotic Blanks. I'm pretty proud of this pen because we tried to do a few things that are a little bit different and accidentally lucked into some good ideas as well. First of all, we wanted to get a Zodiac sign on the band. And so that took a fair amount of work, believe it or not, but this is what it turned out like on the Thai gold and black. This section of it is not Thai gold, but it is a matching color, and we hope that it's going to be very durable. We do offer the Thai gold as well without the black background, which is what everybody else does. We also offer this in chrome and gunmetal, and that also has the black background. So we're doing a couple of things that haven't been done before. So take a look at it and watch the rest of the video, please. We know that there's been a problem with this design, in that if you open the pen and your customer puts his refill in and then goes back here, and instead of screwing it, he pushes down, you can no longer reach those threads. They're back in too far and you can't reach the threads. With this new design, if you just unscrew the back end and push your threads back down in, you can screw it back together where it belongs, and then eliminate the space in there, just push it down, and once again put your back end back on. Now that takes care of one of the problems. Another problem that we've had is replacing the stylus end. Again, if you need to replace the stylus, take off the old one, put on a new one. Or if you decide that you would prefer not to have it as a stylus, simply take off a regular back end and put it together. And one of the things that you'll notice about the way that this is designed is that this part is the gunmetal part. On the chrome and gunmetal, or on the Thai gold and gunmetal, the back end is always gunmetal, so you can always use this gunmetal piece with the stylus on it, and we do have that replacement part. So those are a few of the things that we did that are a little different. We hope that you enjoy the new design, and we hope that you'll try it and find out that, yep, it's a pretty good design for a pen. Thank you for watching. Bye now.